Good morning, guys. Mia from Mia's World of Travel, and thank you for stopping by our channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If not, welcome back.
Yes, y'all can sit anywhere y'all may like and may choose. All right.
On October 27, 1904, at 2:35 p.m. precisely, in a gleaming new subway station 30 feet below City Hall, famous, vibrant, and thrilling, the giant arm of an unfinished Statue of Liberty, still looking for funds and something to stand on. But it was in the next 3 decades that New York City would finish coming into its own on a spectacular scale. Eve that same year, confirming its status as the new throbbing heart of the greatest city in America, consecrated to everything air-minded and upwardly mobile, air travel, skyscrapers, motion pictures, the media, high fashion, and forlong radio. A thrilling city of spectacle, fantasy, movement, and dreams, whose very heart and soul, and known around the world as the Great White Way. Now the greatest incubator of talent in human history, and the birthplace of one of America's greatest contributions to world culture, the Broadway musical.
You're going out a youngster.
By the 1990s, as crime rates plummeted as the city rose again, the old theaters on 42nd Street were refurbished and restored, and new ones sprang up, and Broadway itself came roaring back to the city.
Arriving at Times Square. Stand clear of the open doors, please. Next stop, Manhattan.
We're supposed to continue? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Since my move from New York took place so long ago, I'm not exactly sure when the Rise New York exhibit opened. But I will tell you, seeing it for the very first time and how it embarks on a 3-part journey that lifts and connects you to the New York City's most famous sights and moments was an amazing experience. The Empire State Building and World Trade One definitely brought things full circle to me. As for being back in New York, being back in my home state. So definitely stay tuned because there's more to come from Rise New York.